What's up, YouTube garden fiends? In this video, my son is gonna be harvesting pomegranates. He is super awesome, amazing little boy, and he decided to harvest all the pomegranates, and I just had to get the ones that were too high for him. So this is a video of my son getting down. This is the last year, 2020. We're in 2021, and enjoy the video.
I'm going to start doing the pomegranate problem. Although the right here so cute, but she's kind of them before. Sometimes you just can't do it. You do it all night in the sky, making pomegranates exciting. Look at all these pomegranates. Look at all these pomegranates on my rotten. So just give it back to the earth and love. Do, 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 do. If you want to be so far, in the right food. And this is where we come from. Where it comes from plants. It comes from me. So don't be ungrateful, don't be ungrateful. I need to put him back into. She left? Celine, what are you doing? Sometimes it's just a show. Sometimes I can't believe. Babalo. Can I do the pomegranates? Oh yeah? I'm going to my pomegranate juice. I've been doing that. She's just been doing nothing.
This is easy and this is fun. You guys are doing the fun stuff. Don't be fighting over it. Don't tell your sister how to harvest, baby. She knows how to harvest pomegranates. I want you harvesting pomegranates with me. Come and get some pruners. You need pruners. Huh? Okay.
Your weakness. What's his weakness?
Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to my Patreon at www.patreon.com/thesonoran-desert-grower. The $2 members get my dryland permaculture growing guide. It's a 99-page PDF that walks you through many aspects of dryland farming. My $5 members get the dryland permaculture growing guide and a seed care package. My $10 members get the dryland permaculture growing guide, the seed care package, and my personal mineral amendment mix. So you can make your own potting soil and you can amend for leafy greens and vegetables in your in-ground gardens or your container gardens.